This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Suzy Weldon. Investor's Dream. This adorable 3-bed 1-bath home that sits on a half-acre corner lot right in the heart of Belleville, Arkansas has huge open-concept floor plan and rock fireplace with mantle. With a little TLC, this would be a lovely place to sit on the porch or deck and enjoy some small-town country living that many desire. For more information, review the details below or contact Suzy Weldon at 479-746-8690.